Okay, so now, once I get all that done, then I can backfill the dirt and stuff. As you might have remembered, because I talked to my wife, it's always good to talk to your wife, bounce some ideas off, or your spouse, your significant other, your friend, whoever, just to give you some other ideas. We were just going to have lights over here, okay? And then when my wife came out, I mentioned to her, I said, hey, if we have a light right there at the sidewalk, wouldn't it be nice if we could have a light here next to the sidewalk, so when people are coming up to the door at night, there's a nice glow here, glow there, glow there. She says, yeah, I'd like that. Well, you know, me and my big mouth, right? How am I going to get the wire over there? My landscape wire. This chase went there. There is no chase going over that way. Okay, I know there's some lines here, and you know what? I might dig this up. I know the pipe circles around, and I'm not sure where those go. I don't think it goes like that. I think I can't remember now. So I think I'm going to dig it up just to see, because if there's another chase, then I can take the wire and the landscape light wire and fish it over there. But I doubt there's going to be something there. So if there's nothing over there, how am I going to get the wire over there? There's two thoughts here. I could take some bricks out, boom, 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 all the way across, and then run the wire up, across, over, put the bricks back down. I don't even have, I can just lay that in the sand. There's a sand base there, and the bricks will just fall right over it. But then I start thinking, hey, wait a minute. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Okay, see, we've got this wall here, and then the wires right over here, right? Okay, well, and here you got these bricks, boom, 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 all the way along the edge, right? Well, couldn't I take these out? This one over. I'd have to take each one out. Once you take one out, then the rest are pretty easy. Because there's a gap there, I can take a screwdriver in there, pry that out, and then I can pry each one out. Boom, 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 and you see, I can take them out probably to there, right? So I would only have to take those out. You see there, from there to there. Surface mount the wire, or set the wire right on top of the sand base. Make sure it's flat, no creases in it. Make sure it's flush with the top of the sand, and then I can put those bricks back down. I can pop them down, and then the wire will come out. So if I have the light here, I'm going to have the wire at least this long from here on over to that location, right? And so if I ever want to move that wire, that light here over to there, the new wire that I bring in from this light, I have to have the wire at least this long to go in the dirt here, and then fish it underneath the metal trim piece, which would be easy, and have those bricks out and bring it over to here. You see what I mean? And then I would just leave it up this way a couple feet. I don't have to do that right now, do I? I can still get all this stuff in now that I have this wire, right? I can do this one later, can I? Because it's going from here to there, it doesn't affect all the work that I still need to do out here. Okay, think about your project, and we were thinking, should we put a light out here? I don't really want to put a light out here. I'm not sure exactly what we're going to do in this area. Be some plants, maybe some flowers, maybe a bush. Who knows what we're going to do here? But I think it's going to look out of place if we have a light right here, and somebody might trip over it or something. I think I'd rather have it there in line with that. Where, see, these two walls are in line. So if I bring this one out a foot, let's say, and it's 6 inches off the brick edge, I can bring this one back a foot, 6 inches off the edge, and boom, boom. What do you think about that? Okay. So that's my thoughts. That's my thoughts with that. And then I told my wife, I says, you know, if you want an uplight here, which is one that is here and it goes up at an angle, an uplight I'm calling something like this. You see, you can adjust, you can unscrew that, and you can adjust the height. You can make it go up high or low. And this one we're going to go ahead and replace. That's a halogen bulb, and nowadays they have LED lights. And see, here's another one. That's a halogen bulb. I'm going to have to replace that and get a new one with halogen bulbs. And she wants another one. Wifey wants another one up there, and I'll have to figure out how to fish the wire up there. I'll be able to figure it out somehow, to where the wire is not going to be showing. You know, I may have to come across and then fish it up in the rocks and fish it up and around, so I don't see it. Last thing you want is see exposed wires. If I can't get it up the face, I may have to take it from there, bring it over, zip, 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 up in through there, coming off that light that way instead of that light that way. Do you see what I mean? All kinds of different things I could do. Go from there, go around this thing. This used to be a water feature, and then the last owners, they probably decided not to have the water feature anymore, and then they took all that out, and then they just put some dirt in here and planted some bushes. Okay, so I can wrap it around there and come in through the rock there or something. Somehow I'll get it. But I told her, if you want a downlight there, we could do that too. Now how am I going to get that one there? See, here's the dirt just to this column. Well, if you say, hey Joe, just take these out right here to there, fish a wire from here, and then on over, dig it down. That's how I'm going to do it. There's always, if there's a will, there's a way. There's always, pretty much always a way to do something if you just put your mind to it. You know what I mean? And so that's what I'll do there. Okay, so I'm not gonna leave this wire this long coming out of there, because the light is going to be right there. I can make it a little bit shorter, but like I said, I don't want to leave it so short that there's just a little short wire there. I still want to leave enough, wrap around a couple loops to this wire after I get it installed. You know, you have a couple loops like that, and then you wire this right to the light fixture, and then the light fixture wire is you know 3 feet long, and then you wrap those up nicely in a little ball, and dig the dirt down right there, and bury the wires. You see what I mean? Can't really do that until then. I see this wire comes up to the light, then you have the light wire, then I have to get a wire from here over to here, because this is where the power is. This comes from the time clock. Okay, and then I'm gonna have another light there. So overall, there'll be another wire from here going over to there. So there's gonna be two sets of these wires, one going that way, one going this way, and then you got the light wire. Okay, so you got 6 black wires, and I'll show you how to hook it up later. My first and foremost, and I already kind of explained that a little bit, well, in detail prior to this video. Hopefully you had a chance to watch those other videos, because that's all part of this course. The more you watch, the more you learn. I'm repeating a broken record here. The more you watch, the more you learn, because that's just how it is with all of my videos. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna kind of get this wire set and stuff, and see, I didn't have to get into my electrical wire. I didn't have to get into my fish tape, but I had them at the ready in case I needed them. Okay, time to get busy once again.